Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered what it would be like to play Clash of Clans with unlimited gems and resources? That's exactly what Developer Mode, or private servers, offers. It's an unofficial version of the game, completely separate from the one you download from official app stores. These private servers provide a sandbox environment where you can experiment freely, try out new strategies, and access custom features not found in the regular game. It's a fantastic way to explore the game's mechanics without any limitations. So, how do you actually get into developer mode? The process usually involves downloading a specific client application for a private server. These aren't found on your usual app stores. For Android users, this often means getting an APK file from a third-party website. It's important to understand that because these servers aren't official, you'll need to be careful about where you download your files from. Always prioritize your device's security during this process. Finding a good, stable private server is key to enjoying developer mode. In 2025, the best places to look are often well-established Clash of Clans private server communities and reputable websites that specialize in hosting these files. Always check reviews and make sure the server has a large, active player base. This usually indicates reliability and consistent updates. Taking a moment to verify the source helps protect your device from potential security risks. Installing a private server app is quite straightforward, especially on Android. After you've downloaded the APK file from your chosen reliable source, you'll need to adjust a setting on your phone. Go into your security settings and enable the option to install unknown apps. Once that's done, simply open the downloaded APK file, and your device will guide you through the rest of the installation. It's a quick process to get your new game up and running. Now that you're set up, you can truly enjoy the unique experience of Clash of Clans developer mode. Build your ultimate base instantly, experiment with unlimited gems and gold, and test out any strategy you can imagine without impacting your official game progress. Just remember, these are community-run servers, not affiliated with Supercell, so any progress here doesn't carry over to the official game. Always prioritize your online safety and have fun exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.